Okay, I just patted this fish dry with paper towels, and now I'm going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on this side here. That's pepper. I'm going to get some salt. Okay. Okay, I'm melting some Irish butter in a non-stick skillet. And I think I'm ready to add, let me see, let's continue melting this. Let's go ahead and add some garlic. Hold on. Yep, I just added some garlic. This is Trader Joe's branzino or European sea bass. And it's a leftover fish that it's long overdue for cooking. Okay, I added the sea bass seasoned side down. Gonna cook for 2 to 3 minutes. There's barely room in here for everything. Yeah. First time I made this, this will give me some nice protein here. Yeah. This is going to be my frozen lemon juice that I'm going to be using. I'm trying to melt it, put it under hot water right now. Yeah. Leave it there. Okay. I sprinkled some more salt and pepper on it on this side. I'm still cooking it. I flipped it over and it's just about ready. I'm going to pull it out and then dribble lemon juice over it and then it's done. It's not bad. Let me get some light on here. It tastes sort of like cod, but it's a little different, but I like it. It's not bad. So I'll go ahead and post this at my cooking channel. This will give me nice protein. Yeah. This will be leftovers for tomorrow. Yeah, it was not bad. Yeah, I'll just maybe eat it cold. Yeah. So.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart pure and strong. With the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah. She's the first, a passionate crusader. Stand by the side of conquering.